wedding planning hacks that will save you from the stress. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and I am an event planner and designer in Los Angeles, California, and I am here on YouTube to give you all the tips, tricks, and advice you need in order to plan your special day. So if you're new here, welcome, and I encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, heart, all the things so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. The first hack that's going to make your life so much easier is if you automate your RSVPs. And I mean doing that by a website that can go ahead and track your RSVP count, so guests can pretty much say yes or no through your wedding website, or if you use some kind of RSVP company like Zola or The Knot, for instance. If you are having kids at your wedding, highly recommend to have snacks and activities for the kids. You can either have the parents make sure that they have snacks for the kids, something that's not noisy, you know, that they can rip open and then it's too noisy that you can hear it through the ceremony. Something that's quiet that they can have. So either you or the parents can provide that for them, but also having activities that they can do during the reception, because they might get a little bit bored. So those are really good tips just in case you have littles at the wedding. The next tip is having a plan B, and I mean this as if it's going to rain. If you are having a wedding during a month that there is a chance rain could happen, then having a plan B with your coordinator and venue manager is key. You can either have a backup tent if you're having an outdoor reception or ceremony, or if the venue has enough space or room. It really depends on the whole structure of the venue, but some venues do have both indoor and outdoor options. Now if there is an indoor option, then I highly recommend that your plan B option would be able to take it inside, just in case there is rain. But it really depends all on you. And the key tip, and the last one that I saved for the end of this video, is to remember why you're getting married. It's so important to not get so caught up in the stress and to really enjoy your time as an engaged couple. You're only going to be engaged for so long or short, however, depending, however you're going to be engaged for. And then there's marriage. And although for some people it might be a huge jump, and for some people maybe you already live together and it's not that too much of a difference. I cannot really attest because I'm not married just yet, but I have been together with my boyfriend for 8 years. So it really depends, and you're only going to be engaged for such an amount of time, so please enjoy your engagement. I've had brides that have told me, I really wish that it wasn't so rushed, or that I felt that I was a bride because I was so caught up in wedding planning, and that's why it's also important to hire a wedding planner to help alleviate that stress. So make sure that you and your fiance are spending time together, and make sure that throughout the wedding process that you guys are making the decisions that you both care about and want, and everything else will flow seamlessly, because at the end of the day you guys are in love and you guys are celebrating a marriage, and that is already just so rewarding. So I highly encourage you guys to make sure that you are enjoying the moment and feeling to be present. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions or what your favorite tip is, comment below, and I will see you guys at the next video. Thank you!